In primetime news this evening, tragedy. Student dies in car crash on first day back to school.
More schools transition off the shift system.
And Finance Minister continues to face heat from some quarters for taking an IMF job. Good evening and welcome to primetime news on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. A special welcome as well to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. With a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, the latest from the Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin shows that Jamaicans paid more money for books and stationery in the last year. I'll also have what our trade deficit looks like later on in the business day. That's physical books. Wow. And Jordan Ford is also here with a preview of what's coming up in primetime sports.
Well, Archie, there is a request for the recusal of the chairperson of an independent anti-doping disciplinary panel for a hearing which is set to get going tomorrow. I'll tell you why in Primetime Sports Monday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. And for a preview of the weather, here's Romaine Robinson.
Thank you, Andrea. Now, for the middle of this week, as we move into Wednesday and the end of this week, we do have a strong tropical wave that is likely to be in the region, should be influencing weather conditions across the area with an increase in showers and thunderstorms right across the island, especially in the afternoons.
And time now for the feedback question. This evening, we're asking.
Our question is, how was day one of back to school in your area?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center. Again, that's facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.